Oh, Ivana, isn't that the spunk what was hanging around the other day?
Oh my God, it's him! Don't stare, he'll think I like him.
Careful, Yavi, you don't know where he's been. Let me root him first, just to be safe.
Hi, ladies! How are you at it?
Than me?
I'm the best. The football team can vouch for it. Look what I can do.
My name's Ivana. It's Romanian for ample dumplings. What's your name?
Ken! Ken Gropecock! Growcock! It's English for, oh, crap.
Small cock? Oh, sorry, gotta go.
Join us next time when we ask, can Ken grow cock? All this and more when we go back up Badger's Prong for Pillow Talk.